Ito na si Delia D.
Diba? So, ganun tayo aakit ngayon. You guys don't know how happy I am that this is finally happening after many attempts with other productions. You know, it happens when it should happen, and the person I'm about to introduce to you needs no big introduction because his name is known all over the world as a Filipino composer, producer. I really want to say my friend because, oh gosh, of course, he sits in a board with my husband, but he's my friend also. Please welcome Jonathan Manala. This is so special.
Yes.
Thank you. As I said, I have attempted this kind of thing with so many people, but it happens with you.
So special.
Thank you. I can feel it in like your whole being that this is very special to you. If you don't understand where we are, hindi po ito horror special. We are at the Newport Performing Arts Theater, a very, very special place to me because here I played Cinderella. Yes, so take me to your ball.
Ito yung entrance, di ba? Pag manonood na sila, dito sila dadaan.
Sa mga theater kids. Ito yun, yung pagpumasok ka dito, wow. Ito na, tapos naririnig mo na yung music. Minsan, maririnig mo yung band na nagsa-soundcheck. Tinutuan na nila yung instruments. Ay, ang sarap ng feeling.
Isa-silent mo na yung phone mo.
Nako, kailangan. At itong malupit, kailangan yung tanggalin yung alarm nyo.
Correct.
Lalo na doon sa magagamot. So, you are going to have your very own musical. How does that feel?
Hanggang ngayon, super overwhelmed pa rin. Siguro, yung emotions ko, sobrang grabe. Up there. hindi ko siya ma-express enough how happy I am.
Correct.
Pero super excited, kinakabahan at the same time. Pero so far, what I have been seeing sa rehearsals, sa run-through.
Pupunta ka talaga.
Yes. And actually, ngayon may rehearsal na
Oo nga, kaya bibilisan natin to. Pero I just wanna see and show everybody what your reaction is here sa may entablado. So we're gonna show it sa gitna. Hindi pa tapos yung entablado because this is really happening in real time. Gigitna ba tayo? Gitna tayo para makita niyo yung reaction shot niya. Eto na. Eto na yan.
This is the theater.
This is the theater. Welcome to
Newport Performing Arts Theater.
Yes, you guys are here. This is what it's like. Alam ko naka-jacket ako pero mainit. Pero ito kasi yung favorite ko na sinusuot whenever I attend any. Parang ginawa ko na siyang uniform ko whenever I do anything cultural. Yes.
Ganda.
Siyempre meron akong kasama na may pinakamalaki bang katalog sa OPM? Okay, ganito ang sistema. So, like kunwari, in PhilSCAP, if you are a composer, I maybe am a two-pager, you know, with not naman that many hit compositions. My husband has many pages, so
yes,
parang may mga ganyan, di ba? Yung mga 5-pager, ilan ba ang page mo?
Ay, naku.
And counting.
Makapal siya, hindi ko nabilang, but
Ganon sila. Prolific composers with many hit songs. And you are gonna see his music reimagined with new music tailor-fit for this stage, for the play.
Yeah, it's
Delia D. Hindi pa pala natin na-introduce.
It's going to be, Delia D. It's going to be a musical featuring some of my hits, plus brand new newly written songs for this musical.
Tailored fit
talaga. So
hindi Taylor Swift. Kasi
tailored fit na ano siya, hybrid musical siya. So yun, may brand new songs and then yung hits that you would expect from my catalog.
Hindi yan yung maririnig na kanta nyo. Okay. So this theater will be filled with Filipino fans and people from abroad. And they will know your heart and your
Yeah.
music.
Theater fans, music fans,
Oo, so
Pinoy pop culture fan.
Tama. Grabe, ang dami mo nang ginawa sa larangan ng musika. But what was your first break?
First break, Himigandog sa Makabagong Kabataan, 2001 yon. I won the grand prize for Taratena.
I knew it. Jazz hands. as a fiesta. Oo, ako si Cinderella dito, Jonathan. Kaya, welcome to my kingdom. I turn it over to you. Wow. Akin dito. Hello. Ayan, tumigil sila. Hello! Hi! Thank you sa paggawa niyo ng magandang set ng Delia D.
Naiwan mo daw yung shoes mo.
Asan na yung
Cinderella.
sapatos ko? Ay! Asan na yung mga daga? Gawin na silang pumpkin. It's different, no?
Yes.
Ako kanina
Ayan
pa
na.
ako nag-goosebumps kasi para eto na siya. Eto na siya. Ano nagiging mas totoo na, no? Siyempre nakita mo yung first draft and everything, but to see the stage,
Yes, ayan na. Kinikilig ako.
dreams fulfilled, all those things. So your
Yes.
first ever big break was Taratena. I think Kyla was there and
Taratena, yeah. Tsaka yung Kaya.
Kaya, yes.
Yung parang
Grupo.
vocal group ni na finorm ni Mr. C. Nandun sina Brennan, sina Luigi.
Brennan Espartines. So, okay, we're gonna walk through this and I will not even continue talking kasi delikado. Okay. So we're here now in the dressing room. I do love this dressing room because we used to do our makeup here and we had a sponsor. So may station ka kung saan gagawin yung hair mo tapos kung saan yung makeup. And of course, your show is gonna be having a lot of that kasi there's gonna be some drag performances, di ba?
Super colorful.
There's this one lip sync performance that they already showed with the choreography. That's our song, no? So, ang galing, no? Kasi ang lawak nung catalog mo. So, wala kaming idea kung anong mangyayari. Siyempre, mayroon tayong konting idea. But, hindi natin alam kung saan pupunta yung kwento because of all the different songs that you have. Like Taratena, siyempre talks about the youth, di ba? And yun pala yung tema ng Himig Handog that year.
That time. Kasi ano yun galing ng EDSA DOS, yung time na yun. So tumapat yun ng time na yun, tapos mga kabataan yung moving force behind that revolution. Part ako nun, nandun ako eh.
Yes,
So,
ako din.
So ngayon, yung contest na yun, about that. So gawa kayo ng mga songs na kumbaga, yung magiging anthem ng energy ng youth
Yes.
at that time. So, ginawa kayong Taratena. So, long story short, yun yung nanalong song. And ako lang din yung kabataan nung time na yun na naging final. Kasi ang kalaban ko nun, sina Kuya Junji Marcelo, sina Mike Villegas, Jimmy Antiporda. So, parang, okay, may advantage ako kasi ako yung fresh grad.
I see.
Ako yung kabataan.
So,
And it's
alam mo yung
contest about
boses ng kabataan. And that song was performed by Kyla in the recently concluded Philpop and
Yes,
Himig Handog
yes.
collab for the 50th year of OPM, which I hosted.
Which you hosted. Tama, 24 years ago.
Grabe, no? Kasi yung
Yung
mga
song.
winning songs yung pinerform nila. So, for those of you who don't know our connection, kasi hindi naman ako nag-work with you for now. Maybe
Yes.
hopefully in the future, you're producing my mom and my sister Zia Quizon
In
as
the
also.
very near future.
Oo.
With Kareel.
Pero sila ngayon, so may mga release sila, nagre-recording sila palagi. Meron kayong pending project ni Yael.
Yes.
Pero ang connection namin talaga stems from the fact that Yael and you are part of PhilSCAP and you do a lot of songwriting camps.
Magkasama kami sa mga elements.
Elements, iba din yun.
Songwriting
Tapos
camp.
meron din
May
yung
PhilSCAP bootcamp.
bootcamp. Actually, nakakasulat ako ng kanta pag may songwriting camp kasi the energy is just so good and parang gusto mo ring lumikha, di ba? So for those of you who don't know, you could join these songwriting camps
Yes.
and hone your skills as a songwriter, especially if you really love to perform. Baka naman meron ka ring talent na
Oo,
mag-compose.
dun sa mga songwriting camp na magkasama kami ni Yael, doon nang galing yung Ben and Ben, sina Moira, ang daming mga current superstars natin ngayon, yung mga singer-songwriters and bands na nanggaling dun sa songwriting camps
yung
na
hinahasa nila yung
hinatinan
skills
namin.
nila as
Na naging mentors kami ni-
songwriters. Oo nga. Yun ang pinagtataka ko. Kasi when I met Yael, parang I knew he was always advocating for people to write their own music. Especially me, bawal mag-cover sa bahay. Ang strict ng bahay namin. What makes you want to still mentor? Yan, sa songwriting camps. Kasi you're busy. It doesn't really like, hindi naman siya may payment, but you'll have your group, di ba? Or minsan your camp. I think yung kay Yael, yung last camp niya, Camp Bitiw, Camp Puso.
Ako nagkaroon ng Camp Pangarap.
Ay, ganda. What keeps you doing these mentoring jobs?
Siyempre, ang sarap na mag-give back sa industry, na nag-nurture sa akin. And kumbaga parang yung industry na yon, I owe it to the industry kung nasaan ako ngayon, 'di ba? So for sustainability and yung idea of giving back. And syempre, naisip ko yung mga nag-train din sa akin nung nagsisimula ako, hindi sila naging selfish eh.
Diba? May ganun talaga eh, no?
So parang, kumbaga, it's time naman na ikaw yung mag-give back and masustain yung industry na nag-sustain sa'yo, sa akin. So ako, nasa ganung headspace ako every time na nagkakaroon ng opportunity for me to mentor and maging part nung people behind sa pag-train ng future musicians natin, future Filipino musicians, artists, singers, songwriters.
Correct.
And maging part ako nung sustainability nung culture natin and Filipino arts as a whole. Diba?
Ang ganda, no? Tapos
Filipino arts.
Diba?
Yes.
It's a reminder for myself na, oo, Filipino ako. And it's like the new and the old combined.
Nice.
Parang maganda rin bumalik sa mga cultural music natin nung araw. Nung
Correct.
araw. Lalo na ngayon na I'm doing a period film. So parang, but also always keeping things new and fresh. Do you feel inspired by the young musicians? Do you do a lot of
Sobrang
collabs?
ako na-inspire kasi ako, for me, gusto kong mag-train ng marami and duplicate myself. Kasi gano'n naman eh, ganun ka makakapag-give back selflessly at the same time. Ako din, meron din akong vested interest dyan. Kasi sa totoo lang, ayoko na mawala yung ma-out of touch ako sa kung ano yung trends, kung ano yung current, kung ano yung bago.
Iba rin ang language. So youth speak, diba?
So ako gusto ko na parang gets ko kung ano yung sound ng mga bata. Nakukuha ko kung paano nila gustong sabihin. So, kumbaga, it's the wisdom na pwede mong i-impart sa kanila. At the same time, yung matututunan mo sa kanila na context ng generation nila. So pag kinumbine mo yung dalawa na yun.
Mag-isip, no?
Correct.
Tsaka iba na rin sila matuto kasi they have everything in their fingertips. Dati bibili ka pa ng tape sa kung saan. And eto, matutuwa ka kasi yung first ever CD na nabili ko, na pinatugtog ko sa Discman ko, na kinabit ko sa TV ko dahil yun yung speaker ko ay...
Ano yung first CD?
Mariah Carey.
Anong album?
Yung naka-all black siya.
Oh no.
Ano ba yung all black?
Alam mo ba kung anong first CD ko?
Alin?
First cassette ko kasi Gary V.
Okay.
Ang first CD ko is Daydream.
Daydream ba yun?
Yun,
Okay,
yung black.
Daydream.
Yung may fantasy, may One Sweet Day.
Yung
merong
paulit-ulit
Always
lang.
With My Baby.
Ganyan kami dati.
Oh, so pareho tayo. It's 1995.
Doon kita talagang na-feel kasi I think during the pandemic, you kept posting like about Mariah Carey. Then I would reply, parang, karaoke tayo. Okay, hindi naman pwede. Tapos dahil nasa kamalayan ko yung Mariah Carey, when Elle and I would road trip to, kunwari, Mama's place in Quezon, Casa Esperanza, tutugtog kami ng mga
Saka yung book, di ba,
breakdown. Oo.
Yung book.
Hindi ko siya binasa, pinakinggan ko siya.
Audiobook.
Para kaming best friend ni Mariah Carey. Best friend Mimi. Yeah. I think doon ako parang, you know how people are connected by music? Sabi ko, ay, pareho kami. Baka pwede kami maging friends. Parang naging ganun yung thought ko. Kasi hindi naman tayo masyadong
Correct.
nag-work together except when we did Pabuhat for our Magpasikat in Showtime, which is the anniversary. But that song was written by your group. You did the superhero, yung pinakamagagaling at
Correct.
pinakamayayaman na songwriters.
Magkakasama kami ni Yael din noon.
Yeah, I think
Pero nasa
Yeng.
ibang group siya. Si Yumi yung nasa group ko.
And you created Pabuhat, which is
parang yung
slightly
group
about ML.
Yes.
But, it's just about being there for your people,
Pero
your
yung
friends.
Pabuhat as a title, si Yael yan eh.
Kasi nga ML yun.
Oo.
Actually, yung Pabuhat means ikaw yung kailangan ng tulong sa grupo.
yung word na yun,
Very current siya.
si Yael mismo nagbigay ng title na
I
yun.
know, as an ML fan.
Pero kasi, alam mo, tayo, every time na nagkikita tayong dalawa, meron siyang, hindi tayo nag-spend ng time ng matagal na matagal. Pero merong vibe na
May connection.
very easy, magaan, and may mutual, alam mo yun,
Yung parang we're on that same path for our
even
our,
Yael.
our people.
Kami ni Yael, ganyan kami. So
I
every
know.
time na, sabihin ko, pag nagkita kami ni Yael, ang tagal namin nag-uusap.
Diba?
Si Yael pa naman, hindi nauubusan ng stories.
Correct.
Tapos ang daming mga things na we agree on. Sabi ko, pareho kami ng wavelength and headspace nito.
Statements. I think also when we look at your catalog, you have a lot of statements or stances para sa bansa. You really love the country, and I think one way to serve is through your music, di ba?
Yes.
Para makikita natin, Pilipino, and he cares about our country, our youth, our people, which is nice. I mean, I love that about you. But here in this play, Delia D, anong grupo ang talagang gusto mong i-highlight for this?
Dito sa Delia D, this is a story of, of someone reaching for, sobrang relatable to anyone, to everyone. Yung pag-abot sa pangarap. Someone reaching for her dream. And lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanya tayong pangarap na inaabot eh. Diba? Pero ito, yung inclusivity, makikita nyo sa Delia D. Lahat ng klase ng tao, lahat ng klase ng kumbaga, lahat ng gender represented, lahat ng age represented, may lola, may nanay, may tatay, family, extended family, girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, lahat.
Plus.
Lahat, kumbaga, hindi naman issue kasi yun. Ang normal sa ating lahat, meron tayong mga pangarap na inaabot. And paano natin maaabot yung mga pangarap? May mga times na magpipretend tayo to be someone na hindi naman tayo. Diba? And may mga times na gagawin niyo yung mga bagay na hindi naman authentic sa'yo para lang akala mo yun yung way to reach your dream, pero hindi naman pala. So, ang Delia D ay isang musical ng storya ng pag-abot sa pangarap at pagpapakatotoo habang inaabot mo yung pangarap mo and finding the right people to surround yourself with sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap
So, para
mo.
siyang
Yung
artist.
support system na kailangan mo para maniwala sa kung ano yung kaya mo and hindi bibilugin yung ulo mo, hindi magiging yes people. Di ba? Yung i-real talk ka din, di ba?
Delikado yun. At yun ang tunay na kaibigan. Yung, may term nga ako sa ganyan, yung parang, magiging unfriendable friend muna ako kasi baka tanggalin mo na ako o i-block mo na ako kasi minasabi ako masyadong totoo.
Pero ako mas gusto ko yung mga ganong friends.
Lalo na as an artist, parang maneuvering 2025 na iba na yung panahon baka magkamali ka. Ayaw mo naman magkamali at makasakit, di ba? So sometimes you need to check with your friends, okay ba to? So yeah, ang ganda kasi authentic journey siya, may struggle. And
at the same time, di ba ang seryoso ng plot niya? Sobrang makulay. Kasi may mga drag performances. Tapos,
campy nga pala, nabasa ko.
Campy siya talaga.
Ano sa magkakaroon? Paki-explain po.
Masaya, ang daming, basta super tawanan. And pinapanood ko kanina yung rehearsal sa taas. Masaya siya. Hindi kayo mabobore sa panahon na kailangan natin ng break sa buhay at gusto lang natin ng magaan na mapapanood at matatawa tayo at mai-inspire tayo. At the same time, pwede ka ring maiyak kasi about to sa mga pangarap mo na pwedeng hindi matupad kasi pwedeng hindi naman pala talaga yun ang para sa'yo. Yun yung pinipilit mong i-chase. So,
buti na lang, dami mo nang nasulat, kaya lahat ng emosyon nandun na. So ngayon, umakyat tayo, maghanap tayo ng mga, baka pwede natin makausap.
correct. Akit na ulit.
Okay, eto na. Rehearsal this way. Tingnan lang natin.
Ayan, rehearsal this way.
I will show you my dressing room. Dito yung dressing room ko dati.
Here?
Kasi sa mga
Here?
quick change.
Here?
Eto ako. Tapos yung pinaka-ano ko, ano ba tawag doon? Tradition or whatever.
Hindi ko napanood yung Cinderella.
Gagawin ko ngayon. I'm a smile when I see me as a mouse.
Ano siya, before the pandemic?
Yeah, matagal na. Before we got married, before Ella and I got married. So dati, pumupunta ako dito, tapos parang I would really just pray to the Lord, Lord. Tapos, may ginagawa akong hinahawakan ko talaga yung stage. Tapos parang, andito ako ngayon, check-in. Kumbaga.
Ito yun eh. Ito yung audience, di ba?
Diba? Tapos yung dress ko, ang ganda. May sarili siyang rehearsal dahil magic siya. Tara na. Ito yung mga dressing room. Dito nagpe-pray yung cast. Hi, ang saya. So, may role ka ba dito sa play?
Audience. Audience ako. Ito na si Delia D.
Diba? So, ganun tayo aakit ngayon. Ayan, nagtatanghal sila doon. Pero ensayo pa lang, ay, nakikita ko si Sweet John Lapus.
Ayun.
Busy sila ngayon. So,
Pero kanina, natapos na yung Act 1. So medyo mas maikli yung Act 2 eh.
I see.
So ito, Act 2 na siya.
Nakikita ko si Al Fritz.
Masarap.
Yes, we just watched The Run. And kasama natin ngayon si Delia D herself.
Higit na
Dolly.
natin si Direct Delia D.
Yes.
Dolly D.
Dolly D, siya ang tagapagsulat. Ano ba ang tawag?
Scriptwriter?
Playwright.
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 Tama naman yung script.
Playwright. Playwright. Kasi scriptwriter mo siya sa isa pang musical project mo.
Yes, yung lyric and beat.
Yeah.
Doon kami una nagkakilala ni Direct Dali.
Ganito na yung kulot niya.
Oo, very
Ganyan
ako
na.
blonde.
Hindi pa blonde, pero may transformation.
Oo.
Ang daming mga pamilyar na eksena doon. Siyempre, it's pop culture din kasi because you are very much a hit maker. So it has to reflect that, di ba? So ang ganda kasi totoong-totoo yung kwento niya. No? Did you do that purposely or...
Well, ang naging talaga niya, inspiration niya. Kasi mahilig ako manood ng singing competition.
I see.
Tapos si Kuya Jonathan naman, marami siyang singing competition songs.
Pieces.
Pieces ng ganun. And I think kasi diba, it's very Filipino.
Correct.
That everybody watches singing competitions from The Star in a Million.
I'm a star.
Diba, ang dami-dami
I think Shasha Padilla.
Yes!
Shasha ba yun?
Yes!
Pumunta ng
The
theme song.
original
No,
version.
she is the host, yeah.
Siya din yung host. Original host, original
Sa ASAP pa.
original theme song, yes.
Ay, sorry, pumasok ang mga kasama ko sa Cinderella. May mga wardrobe mistress. And of
Hinahanap
course,
niya po
mga
yung sapatos niya.
kanina nakita ko nga yung tahiyan. Pero dadaan sana ako sa, dito na pala kayo. Mas makulay na. Yeah. Andiyan pa ba yung sapatos? So, dito makulay ang mga costume, samot-sari ang mga lagpas-lagpas ang mga emosyon, no? Ganyan
Okay.
talaga
Meron ka tayo isang Shasha Padilla reference.
Ano?
Unleash the Diva.
Alice the Diva. It's for
Sa Born Diva naman.
Opening.
Opening yun. Yung Born Diva show ni
Oh my God.
Shashin.
Born Diva. Meron pa yung sumali yung pinaka-idol ko talaga, Nico Maca. Yun ba yun? Yung...
Search for the Star in a Million.
Hindi. yung may ano sila, transformation.
Ayan, Born
Born
Diva.
Born Diva. Oh yeah, Nico
Yeah.
Maca. Sobrang idol
So,
mo.
Lucky Vega.
Oo.
Rocky Begain winner. Rocky Begain winner.
Correct. Pero ang idol ko doon, Nico Maca. Kasi yung MD ko, pinapanood ko pa sila, Nico Maca Playground.
Magaling.
Before she transformed.
Yeah, Born Diva. Grabe, ang controversial din ngayon, no? Pero ganun ang mga pinagdaanan nating mga singing competition. And
Correct.
now, of course, tawag ng tanghalan, All-Star Grand Rest
Yes.
2025. Sali pala ako. So yeah, no, it's a big part of our lives na hindi siya maalis-alis kasi yung lalo na ito yung ginagawa namin, for example, yung mga rest backer, iba yung parang tapang nila. And because of social media and YouTube and all the materials na available sa mga tao, nag-iiba rin, no? Lumalawak yung singing style kasi ma-explore mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo.
Correct.
The arrangements are wonderful also. Did you have a hand in...
Si Vince.
Si Vince Lim.
Nandiyan si Vince Lim.
Oo.
Pero may mga ginawa
May mga
kami
notes,
na may mga
ka.
notes kami na binigay. Siyempre si Direk Dali din kung ano ba yung pakiramdam, ano ba yung feelings dun sa eksena, ano yung context. Tapos siyempre si yung musical director si Vince Lim, siya yung nag-translate into these beautiful musical arrangements na sabi ko, ay, ang galing kasi si Vince Lim sinadjust din siya naman ni Direk Dali. Si Direk Dali yung nag-suggest na bagay kay Vince.
Kasi he did Walang Aray. That's very new, very modern. Ay, walang aray. Walang aray sa Petra. So bago yung feeling So parang kasi for this musical, parang we're looking for something younger, something fresh. Kasi nga, yung ibang songs matatanda na. So kailangan, kasing tanda.
Sino yung matanda?
Star na. Kasi star na Mel. Diba?
Yeah, but there's a way to, diba?
Change
Saka
it
paano
up.
mamimeri?
Change it, yeah.
Different genre din kasi. Iba-iba yung genre.
Parang
So,
exciting na, parang unexpected.
Yes. So pag it's something familiar but something different now, ganun yung attacking nung ibang mga songs.
correct.
Kanina lang talaga, meron akong thought na yung pag-lip-sync battle na mapasok sa bigla. Hindi na natin ko tayo na mo si Jonathan.
Yung pagbigyan muli.
Di ba? Parang, ito na ba yung part na kasama siya? Hindi ko talaga maisip na hindi niya gagawin. Kasi feeling ko merong cameo for yung birthday mo or yung...
Pero yung isang character, Jonathan yung pangalan. Jonathan B naman.
Ano yung B?
Lapit na. Para hindi mapagkamala siya.
Tama. Itago natin sa pangalan Jonathan B. Hindi naman masyadong...
Masyado malapit, no?
Yeah, so ang daming feelings ng musical na to. Tapos ang daming familiar faces from theater and they're all really pushing themselves. Makikita mo ang hirap lalo na ang daming kanta. Diba? Siksik na siksik. Sulit na sulit.
Parang 40
40 something.
songs. Diba? Kasi naman yung library of music,
Correct.
Jonathan Manalo, nasa ilan ba? Diba? Wala pa ang 140.
Ano ba yung close list level niyo since parang nag-gets mo yung music niya? Kumbaga, tinatanong mo pa ba yung mga inspirasyon niya or same wavelength na kayo, na-gets mo na?
Hindi ako nag-dictate ng mga songs na gusto kong magamit. Except, meron lang siguro one or two
Mga requests.
na, isama mo to Direk Dali.
Please,
Pero most of the songs na nailagay dun sa story na sinulat ni Direk Dali, siya yung nag-handpick. Direk Dali.
Kasi ba naman, parang 3 months na puro Jonathan Manalo.
Oo, yung playlist mo. Oo.
From driving, hanggang nag-gym. Nakita nga kami sa gym Alam. Ay, Kuya John, tinan mo. Tinan mo yung playlist ko. Jonathan Manalo songs.
So, gugulat ako, Direk Dali, ginamit mo yung song na yun? Wow,
Hindi niya alam.
ginamit mo yan, ha?
Yung mga hindi ko masyadong kinalam songs.
Mga algorithm.
Nakaka-touch yun sa songwriter. Yung talagang inalam mo yung puso nila. At yung mga personal favorites na hindi
Correct.
naman nalaman ng mundo. Pero baka ngayon, di ba?
Yes. Yung sa mga point ng musical, di ba, magigets na, song pala ni Kuya Jonathan yun.
Tapos may mga ilang songs din na, very conscious ka na hindi na ginamit kasi ginamit mo na sa lyric.
Oo.
Diba?
Pero meron din naman.
May mga nagamit.
May mga repeatable songs. Like,
na iba yung context.
Iba yung context. Iba yung context, pero same song. Kasi sobrang iconic song siya na hindi siya
Yes.
pwedeng hindi
Wala.
masama dito sa ganito klase ng musical.
Nice. So from Enta or Entablado,
Yes.
One Big Fight,
One Big
Ateneo, kailangan ma-proud tayo.
Yes.
Yes.
To the NPAT, what's next after this naman?
What's
For
next?
kailangan ba collab niyo ulit?
Ang dream namin ni Direk Dali is
To write a new one. No?
to write a new one and
Okay, meron na ngang next plan.
magkaroon ng
Oo.
film adaptation itong
Ay,
Direk.
tama.
Yun yung Nadality movies. The movie.
Oo.
Film version.
Pero of course, baka lang malito sila. The play is directed by Direk Dexter
Dexter.
Santos.
Yeah.
Yes. Pero director ka rin kasi.
Mhm.
Oo, sa TV po, tsaka sa film. Hello
Yes.
po. Watch Saving Grace.
Ano pa?
Saving Grace. Pinamit.
Ang assistant director si Miss
Direk
Menshu
Menshu
Lauchenko Yulo.
Yulo.
And Sir
The
Michael.
queen of Philippine theater.
Yeah.
Hi, Direk Michael Williams. So, thank you for giving us this exclusive look. Sabihin ko na lang talaga. Kiniklaim ko lahat ng ginagawa. Exclusive look. Bakit may iba pa pumasok dito? Wala.
Correct. Exclusive talaga.
Yeah, I know this was hard to pull off, so thank you.
Thank
Then
you for that.
nararamdaman ko kasi yung excitement niya. So, gusto kong sabayan. Gusto ko rin ma-capture.
Hands-on daw ba ako dito
Gusto
sa
kong-
musical na to?
In fairness, parang ano naman, di ba naging mood talaga is, hayaan na lang talaga silang maging creative. Kasi parang,
It's their creative baby.
Especially nung binubuo na.
yeah,
Yes.
parang kami tapos na tayo before nung tatapos natin yung
Correct.
script, nag-comment na tayo. So we want, kasi parang gusto din namin na magulat.
Correct.
Parang buong-buo yung pagtanggap dun sa na-create
Yes.
na world. Para,
Kumbaga, you gave the creative freedom.
yeah.
Sa execution.
And it's beautiful. Nakaka-excite. I can't wait to see it on stage kasi ang dami. Hi, Direk. Can we have you say hi? Oh, we're too loud. No, we just have you say hello. Like a quick.
Tama ka sa amin.
I was smiled on a sweet because of mouse. How are you? Oh,
I miss you.
I was with Tita Tina. Oh, sorry,
Okay.
we have a common friend. Yes.
No.
Direct
Wala,
Michael
lang to, chismisan lang.
Williams. Yeah. So it's like a walking podcast. Pauso lang. So we went on a little theater tour, but we'll have you check it before
Okay.
we post it because we don't want to show any spoilers. But it will be embargoed until opening weekend.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so welcome to Case Drama.
Thank you. I'm happy to have walked in.
I know. Oh, wow. Diba? Wow, we have so many stars in our bed. More, wait! Please say, ay, ano ba tong pinto? Huwag natin ipakita. Please say hello. Mag-hi lang kayo, Case Drama. Gab. Mag-hi ka lang. Pumasok kayo, please. Gab, mag-hi ka lang. Gab, mag-hi ka lang 1 second. Please say hi, say hi. Isang kaway lang. Is this for you? This is for for the podcast.
Ang ganda.
Just this is your idea. At ang
Yung
idea na
binubuo sa
mag-theater
stage,
podcast
sa
tayo.
stage,
Gab. Hello, everybody. From liwanag sa dilim. Isa ba? Okay, to support. Hi, Rev.
you.
Oh, did you wanna say something? Wait.
Do I want
Ito,
to say
ito
something? Do I have a
pinakamadaldal.
choice?
Ito yung pinakamadaldal. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kay.
Suddenly, Seymour.
She's Kay. I'm the drama. This is for your podcast?
Yes.
Oh, that's lovely.
Hello. Hello.
Did you paint the room?
Okay.
This is so beautiful. Yeah.
Ano? Wicked.
I know, it is. It is wicked. That's why you're popular. No? Okay.
Baka bawal.
Oh, yeah, probably not. Is ano here?
Yeah.
Congrats on all the success. I don't know why I'm still talking.
Because you're a host. Thank you for passing by, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Delia D.
Thank you.
Catch Delia D.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Delia D is amazing. You guys should watch Delia D. So good.
Thank
Have
you.
you seen?
Thank
You haven't.
you.
You
I saw a part lang. Yeah, because we were touring. So I think, because we got a star-studded room, we can now say goodbye. Thank you for the
Thank you.
exclusive and star-studded tour of Newport Performing Arts Theater. Excited to see Delia D on the big stage.
Yes.
Congrats, you guys.
Please go see Delia
Please
D.
watch Delia D.
Thank you, Kay. Love you, Kay.
I'm a smile and it's meek as a mouse. Ay, wait. I have to run and then... Cinderella, nagets nyo? Sana nagets nyo. Prince Charming.